Mama, don't you? Okay, let's finish it together. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hooray! You did amazing! Afternoon light like honey gold, a story in the songs we hold. Little wooden blocks can sleep, a happy promise we will keep, till the morning sunbeams creep. Look at all the letters here. Let's make a magic alphabet, my dear.